What does this old-fashioned end table have to do with a woodcarver's mallet? Keep watching and you'll find out. Hello there and welcome to WB Fine Woodworking. I'm Don Bullock. I'd like today especially to thank for James Wright of Wood by Wright. James is having a contest he calls Hand Tool Build Off 2018. I just made recently a hand tool. I made a woodcarver's mallet on my lathe here, and I already put out a video on that, but James said he wanted more of an instructional video. So I thought, well, I could make another one and make an instructional video of that. What I found out though is my instructional video will be a little different than some. There are some mistakes that I'll point out as I go through the video. At least that's what we flatboarders call them. Wood turners call them design changing opportunities. So without further ado, here's my video on my design changing opportunities in turning a woodcarver's mallet. The table I showed earlier is the lone survivor from a coffee and end table set that I made back in 1971. The style was called Early American. Instead of using the regular maple, I used solid ash. The coffee table was given away and I disassembled the other end table. This leg is part of that end table. Here you can see a couple of screw holes from the brackets that held the leg onto the table. I made this table long before I knew about mortise and tenon joinery. Most likely the screw holes will end up in the final mallet. I mounted the leg between the drive center and live center of the lathe. Enough talking, let's get to turning. This is Keikos, one of our boys. He's out on their dog run watching me apply the last coat of finish. Well, I'd like to thank James again for this great opportunity to get involved in the woodworking community. In case you're wondering, the person who gets the tool on the exchange, we're going to exchange tools when this contest is over, and the person that gets the wood carving mallet is going to get the better of the two, the one that doesn't have all the mistakes, just in case you're wondering. In the more information section down below, I have links to James Wright's YouTube channel and his website. Check him out if you haven't already. He's an expert at using hand tools, and he's really good at it and does a lot of great things. He also did a great thing on glue. You might want to check that out if you use glue in your work. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up down below. Ask any questions that you might have or leave any comments. We greatly appreciate all of you that have subscribed to our channel and hope that some of you will decide to subscribe today. Thank you all very much for watching.